What is up, my friends? We're out here early morning. Golly, it's the hot of the summer. Right now, a lot of people are struggling to keep their grass green. They got hot spots, it's burning up. It's all because of a lack of water. However, you need to water the smart way. A lot of people think they need to go out every morning and water every single morning. That's simply not true. If you water every day, you're going to encourage shallow roots, all right? So it's important to water about 2 to 3 times a week. You don't want to water every single day, about 2 to 3 times a week. And you want to do that early in the morning. If you water midday, all that water is going to evaporate. It's not going to stay on the lawn, you're going to lose a lot of it. So you don't want to water midday, and you don't want to water in the evening time. If you're watering late at night, it encourages fungus in your lawn. So you want to water early in the morning. That way your lawn soaks it up, and then it has time to dry, and it doesn't encourage that fungus. A good way to figure out how much water you're putting out is the tuna can method. So take your tuna can, cut the top out, take the tuna out. Of course, you don't want that out sitting on your lawn, inviting cats to your yard. But take that tuna can and set it out in random places. Take a couple of them, set them out in random places in your lawn, and see how long it takes for them to fill up. That tuna can is about 1 inch tall, so once it fills up, you know you've put about 1 inch of water out. Whew, I kind of forgot about that sprinkler. That water's cold. But take that tuna can, put it out, and once it fills up, you got 1 inch of water, so you know how long it takes to water and fill that up. Do that in a couple spots on your lawn, you'll be sure to be putting out 1 inch of water at a time. Trying to move back over here so we're not getting sprayed by the sprinkler out here. But like I said, you want that 1 inch of water, 1.5 inches over the course of 1 week. So in 1 week's time, you want to be putting out that much water. Right now it's hot, grass is drying up, grass is dying. I understand people want to water more. People are watering every single day and causing issues. I've seen so many people post online about, issues with their lawn, and it's all fungus. They're watering every day and they're encouraging shallow roots. So you really don't want to do that. That's going to cause the issues. So right now you may see some of your grass go into dormancy with the summer heat, same as winter time. Winter, how it goes into dormancy. It happens in summer too whenever it gets too hot. Smart watering tips, you can prevent that. You see our grass? Still green. You can see where I mowed half of it, messing around with the new mower. I'll have a new video out on the fiskars that we picked up. But a short video today, a tip for you on watering and keeping your grass green. Y'all have a good one.